This is Sarah, and I think it's time I tell you a little bit about my donut cart. The devil donut cart. We all went through a lot last year, the year of 2020, and I think that by the time winter hit, I was pretty much exhausted emotionally, and I didn't want to live in this reality anymore, and I felt trapped. So I started escaping inside of my head to this space that I created. As the story goes, I would turn down a particular alleyway, and there was always this donut food truck there where I would go wrapped in a blanket and converse with the vendor about everything that was going on in the world. And after I was done ranting, the vendor would hand me a bag of donuts on the house. From my point of view, it felt like they were taking pity on me. And one might say that since the vendor's sort of this devil character, I was actually selling my soul for donuts. The way I came to view it over time was that if you go to the cart and you let go of something, then you get a donut in return. So basically, I'm paying for the donuts with one of these, like a negative thought that burdens my soul. So I started repeating this ritual often enough that I drew this location, this cart, this alleyway. The characters, like the me wrapped in the blanket, and then the devil character, which is also kind of a part of myself. And I decided that, why not make a physical version of the actual cart? And I started on the miniature. Of course, it made sense to use all of these drawings as references for what it looked like and the sort of things that would go inside, and the layout of the specific spaces within the cart. Because I had drawn kind of the sitting room in the middle, the kitchen and what went on in there, and the bedroom with the nest, the devil nest. So now the exterior of the cart is pretty much complete. So it's ready to move into kind of like an empty house. So I moved it from my newly compiled demon corner of my room and placed it immediately to my left on my desk hutch right here. And the reason for that is that whenever I need one of these mental breaks from stuff, I can just look over and see it, and it will be a physical anchor for my daydreaming. You know. So my goal is to fill the cart up with little knickknacks and curios that I carefully curate and create with a whole lot of love over the rest of this year. In addition to creating these slips, like I made this ritual of writing down my negative thoughts on pieces of paper so that I could kind of expel them and get them out of my head. In addition to that ritual, I can take a quick break from whatever it is that I'm doing and just hyperfixate on creating, I don't know, like a rug or a picture that goes on the wall or a piece of food or something, and make something that has meaning to me that I can put into this happy place, this safe space of mine. Again, my intent isn't to hurry up and get it done. It's really to just aid in keeping me happy, calm. Does seem random. Has nothing to do with robots or technology yet. Until I do another update on something, thank you for watching. Keep forging the world that you want to live within. Be kind to one another, wear a mask, and thank you for watching.